Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to talk about Avalanche, and my base case, like we talked about it before, in the mid to long term is still the bullish one, suggesting this whole move down is a correction into a larger degree wave 2, and after our move is over, or who knows, maybe it's over already, we are going to start a massive move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now, in the short term in AVAX, unlike a lot of other altcoins, we are actually seeing some relatively strong price action. Why is that? Because if you check out other alts at the moment, we are kind of having some moves on the downside. But in Avalanche, the story is a bit different and we are having some sideways price action, and I'm hoping that we get another move on the upside. Why is that? You see, I am able to find an impulsive structure in this area, and I think, yes, I can tell you, maybe starting from here, this is 1, this is 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into wave 3, correction for 4 either to about here or maybe here, maybe even here, not really that important, and then another move on the upside into wave 5, followed by that. So far I can tell you this is going to be an A, B, C structure, which means we may in here in Avalanche have a bullish setup, because on a higher degree there is an argument to be made for this 5 wave up to be into a wave 1 and then correction for wave 2, and if this scenario is in play, we may see soon a good move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now, how can we say whether at least we are going to have this move up in the short term or not? I think we can get help from indicators, and let's see what is going on in RSI at the moment. So, okay, on the live chart, as you can see, this is a high, the other one is a higher high. However, in RSI, what is happening? We are having a high, the other one is a lower high, and this happened somewhere around the overbought region, which makes me say this is actually a valid bearish divergence. Now, right away, I said it earlier, we may see a move up in AVAX, but now I'm saying this is a bearish divergence, which basically is a negative sign suggesting we may see a move down. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? I'm trying to tell you, your eyes should be at the moment on this important bearish divergence, because once we get a break of this divergence line and do something like this, at that point, we're going to say, this divergence is broken and it's not going to act anymore. And as a result of it, we are going to have a relatively strong move up in the short term for the next 2 or 3 days. And I think this phase can be like a 10 to potentially even 20% move up. So let's have a quick conclusion. A bearish divergence by itself is a negative sign. However, when we get a break of the divergence line, that's actually going to cause a good and a strong move on the upside. And if you want to say that in AVAX we are going to have a relatively strong move up, then okay, your eyes should be on this bearish divergence and on this specific divergence line, because I think this may provide you with kind of an early signal suggesting we are going to indeed have this move up in Avalanche. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in AVAX, and until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.